Ever wondered if real spy gadgets exist? These Amazon finds prove they totally do. Sleek tools for surveillance, security, and stealth that actually work. From hidden cameras to high-tech trackers, they're the kind of gear you see in the movies. Check out all the links in the description below. Big fun can come in a tiny package, and this mini drone proves it. Just 2.4 inches tall, it's small enough to pocket, but powerful enough to pull off full 360 flips and smooth stunts indoors or out. One-button takeoff and landing make it perfect for beginners, while flexible controls let experienced pilots show off rolls, dives, and quick turns. Your doorbell deserves some backup too. This heavy-duty metal mount locks your video doorbell securely in place so it can't be stolen. The clever bracket also lets you tilt the camera anywhere from 45 degrees to 135 degrees, giving you the perfect viewing angle every time. Setup is quick with the included tools. No special skills needed. Strong, adjustable, and reliable. It's protection for both your door and your doorbell. Meet the Nightstand that does it all. This 360-degree smart table lights up your room, charges your devices, and even doubles as a mini workstation. The adjustable tray rotates, flips, and moves wherever you need it, perfect for reading, working, or just relaxing in bed. Its LED lighting lets you pick from 24 soothing colors, and the built-in wireless charger powers your phone while you unwind. Modern comfort reinvented. Want a heads up before anyone even reaches your door? This solar-powered driveway alarm spots movement from up to half a mile away and sends instant alerts straight to your phone. Pair it with your security cameras to see what's happening in real time. Its smart sensor filters out false alarms, so you only get notified when it really matters. Weatherproof and rechargeable, it keeps watch day and night without fail. Who says security cameras have to stay in one place? This little robot rolls around your home, giving you eyes wherever you need them. Control it right from your phone and check in on pets, kids, or just what's happening in the next room. Built-in night vision means it doesn't stop working when the lights go out. Portable, rechargeable, and always ready to patrol when you are. Think of it as a tiny guard you can carry anywhere. This door stop alarm wedges under any door and instantly blocks it from opening. But that's not all. If someone tries to force it, a 120 decibel siren blasts to scare them off. You can adjust its sensitivity to fit your needs, and it runs on a simple battery. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for both home safety and travel security. Hauling stuff has never been this easy or this cute. This foldable utility cart pops open to carry groceries, books, or supplies, then folds flat to tuck away neatly. Its stair-climbing wheels glide effortlessly up steps and rough ground, while the 360-degree swivel wheels handle tight turns with ease. The adjustable handle keeps things comfortable, and the sturdy crate can hold heavy loads without wobbling. Ever wished you had a pair of wheels with eyes? This tiny robot does exactly that. It's a mobile camera you control right from your phone. Drive it around your home, check on pets, or even explore crawl spaces you'd rather not enter. Beyond monitoring, it doubles as a fun, programmable robot for learning and creativity. Compact, versatile, and secure, it lets you see your home in motion anytime you want. Keys are so last century. This smart doorknob unlocks with a fingerprint, a passcode, or even app control. No more fumbling at the door. Recognition is lightning fast, opening in just a second. You can add up to 100 fingerprints and 50 codes, making it perfect for family, roommates, or office use. And if the batteries ever run low, a quick USB charge keeps you from getting locked out. Keys gone missing again? Not anymore. This slim Bluetooth tracker links with your iPhone and instantly shows you where your stuff is. If it's nearby, it plays a loud beep so you can hear it under cushions or blankets. Too far away. The map in the app guides you straight to it. Waterproof, durable, and with a battery that lasts years. It's the tiny card that saves you from big headaches. Sometimes the simplest tools give the biggest peace of mind. This portable door jammer slides under almost any inward opening door and locks it firmly in place. The triangular design pushes force straight into the ground, so even heavy pressure can't break through. Setup takes seconds with no drilling or damage, and it's just as easy to release. Sometimes the simplest gadgets make the biggest difference. This portable door lock adds instant security to any room, whether you're in a hotel, apartment, or dorm. Just slide it into the door latch, close the door, and you've got an extra layer of protection from the inside. No tools, no hassle. Small enough to carry in your pocket, yet strong enough to keep intruders out. It gives you real peace of mind. Tired of waking up to messy, crumpled sheets? This clever sheet holder keeps everything perfectly in place all night long. Its heavy-duty straps grip your mattress securely, so no more slipping or shifting corners. The best part? You install it once, and that's it. Changing sheets afterward is effortless. It fits any size bed, giving you smoother sheets and better sleep every single night. It may be tiny, but it's powerful. This mini Wi-Fi camera records in full 1080p HD and keeps watch over your home, car, or loved ones without drawing attention. With night vision, it captures clear footage even in complete darkness. Motion detection sends instant alerts straight to your phone, so you're always in the loop. Setup is simple. Just connect, place it, and let it do the watching for you. Losing keys is old news when your door locks itself. This smart deadbolt upgrades your existing lock in minutes. No drilling, no hassle. You can unlock with your phone, a passcode, or even your voice when paired with a smart hub. It automatically locks behind you and sends real-time notifications, so you'll never wonder if the door's secure. Durable, reliable, and built for modern living, it's security made simple. Ever get the feeling someone's watching you? This pocket-sized detector makes sure your privacy stays protected. It scans for hidden cameras, GPS trackers, and wireless bugs, exposing what the eye can't see. With infrared and RF detection, even the sneakiest devices can't hide. Lightweight and portable, you can carry it anywhere, perfect for hotels, offices, or even your own home. Looks like an ordinary light bulb, but it's actually a watchful eye on your home. This clever security camera screws right into a standard socket and instantly covers every angle with a 360 degrees view. Day or night, you get sharp, full-color video, even in low light. Motion alerts keep you updated, while two-way audio and a loud alarm let you respond instantly. Easy to install, tough for intruders to ignore. Sometimes peace of mind comes down to one simple lock. This heavy-duty door reinforcement gives your home an extra layer of security that even a strong kick can't break through. It's easy to install with just a few screws, and simple to use with a quick slide of the latch. It also doubles as child-proofing, keeping little ones from opening the door unexpectedly. Strong, safe, and built to last. Meet the little security guard that actually moves. This smart indoor camera rolls smoothly on wheels, giving you a full 360 degrees view of every corner in your home. It streams in crisp 1080p during the day and switches to clear night vision after dark, so nothing goes unseen. When the battery runs low, it automatically finds its dock and recharges. Plus, you can talk through it, perfect for checking in on pets, kids, or loved ones anytime. Camping in the wild? Protecting your property? This trip alarm has your back. An 80-foot Kevlar wire sets up a secure perimeter, and if anyone or anything crosses it, a 129 decibel siren instantly blasts. That's loud enough to scare off intruders or even wildlife. It recharges by solar or USB, so you're never left unprotected. Built tough and weatherproof, it keeps watch in rain, dust, or shine. Movie night just got pocket-sized. This ultra-portable mini projector lets you stream your favorite shows or mirror your phone screen anywhere, no Wi-Fi required. Despite its tiny size, it delivers crisp HD visuals and vibrant colors using advanced DLP tech. The autofocus keeps everything sharp, even if you move it around. With a built-in battery and fast Type-C charging, you can enjoy big screen entertainment wherever you go. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the strongest. This heavy-duty door security bar wedges firmly in place, adding instant reinforcement to your front door, patio, or even hotel room when you travel. Adjustable and lightweight, it sets up in seconds but can withstand up to 400 pounds of force. It's peace of mind you can pack in your bag or keep by the door, because security should always be within reach. Forget keys, your fingerprint is the key now. This smart padlock unlocks instantly with just a touch, giving you quick, keyless access to your locker, backpack, or suitcase. It's small, sleek, and rechargeable, lasting for weeks on a single charge. Setup takes seconds, and a low battery light reminds you when it's time to plug in. Simple, secure, and perfect for everyday convenience. Printing on the go just got easier. This wireless portable printer fits right in your bag and connects to your phone, tablet, or laptop in seconds. It uses inkless thermal printing, so you'll never need cartridges. Just pop in a roll of paper and you're ready. Perfect for travel, work, or even tattoo stencils. It delivers crisp black and white prints anywhere. Compact, efficient, and always ready when you need it. The best hiding spot is the one nobody notices. This clever safe looks just like a standard electrical outlet, but behind the plate is a hidden metal box for your valuables. It installs easily between wall studs and opens with a simple key. With up to 50 cubic inches of space, it's perfect for cash, jewelry, or small keepsakes. To outsiders, it's just an outlet, but for you, it's peace of mind in plain sight. Ever wonder what your dog's up to when you're not home? This smart 360-degree camera lets you watch, talk, and even toss treats from your phone. The rotating lens gives you a full view of the room, while motion and bark alerts keep you updated in real time. Two-way audio lets you calm or praise your pet instantly. It's peace of mind and playtime rolled into one clever gadget. Lighting that follows you everywhere. This magnetic phone ring light snaps right onto your device, giving your photos and videos that flawless glow instantly. You can switch between 3 color tones, warm, cool, or natural, depending on the vibe you want. It's lightweight, rechargeable, and easy to carry for on-the-go creators. Perfect for selfies, live streams, or video calls when you want to look your best anywhere. Filming your world just got a whole lot smarter. This compact vlog camera captures in crisp 2.5K, giving your videos sharp detail and vibrant color. With AI detection, it tracks movement and keeps you in frame so you don't need a cameraman. The PTZ rotation lets you shoot from multiple angles without lifting a finger. Perfect for sports, vlogs, or everyday adventures. It's like having a studio in your pocket. Sometimes the best defense is a loud one. These compact door and window alarms let out an ear-piercing blast the moment a sensor is triggered, instantly alerting you to intruders. You can switch between alarm or simple chime modes, making them just as useful for keeping track of kids or elderly family members. Installation takes seconds. Just stick and switch on. With long battery life, they'll guard your home day and night without fuss. Losing keys is a problem of the past. This smart padlock opens with just your fingerprint. No keys, no codes, no app required. It unlocks in just 0.2 seconds and can store up to 20 fingerprints. Perfect for family or personal use. The rugged metal body resists cutting, rust, and tampering, while also being waterproof for outdoor use. Recharge it by USB, and a single charge lasts for months of everyday security. Keep your little rider dry no matter the weather. This waterproof rain cover fits most child bike seats, wrapping around securely for full protection. A large, clear windshield keeps visibility high while air vents let fresh air in, so your child stays comfy and calm. Quick to install and easy to remove, it's perfect for everyday rides or sudden showers. Rain or shine, your family cycling trips just got a lot smoother. Meet the robot that makes home feel a little more futuristic. This household helper can patrol your rooms, check on pets, and even alert you if something unusual is happening. You can send it anywhere with a tap, and its smart navigation keeps it moving smoothly around obstacles. When it's not needed, it stays nearby, ready to respond. With two-way talk, entertainment, reminders, and more, it's like having Alexa on wheels. Looks like a classic novel on the outside, but open it up and you'll find a secret compartment inside. This clever book safe hides your valuables in plain sight, blending right in with the rest of your shelf. Cash, jewelry, passports, or cards all stay tucked away and protected by a combination lock. It's portable, discreet, and makes your belongings almost impossible to spot. Sometimes the best hiding place is the most ordinary one. Know the moment someone steps onto your property. This wireless driveway alarm covers up to half a mile, making it perfect for large yards, gates, or garages. Its weather-resistant sensors detect motion from up to 50 feet away, while filtering out false alerts from wind or small animals. Setup takes just minutes. Plug in the receiver, place the sensors, and you're protected. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.